Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm back. I have not been on here nor social media for like barely like a week, like over a week basically. I've put like one or two things on Instagram, but I have been sick. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I say that every time I'm on here. I get sick, like no lie, every 2 months or like every 2 to 3 months. I get sick. Am I tired of it? To death. I am tired to death of getting sick. And I just, it's just ridiculous. If it's not vertigo, it's me getting sick, you know, bad head cold or whatever. If it's not that, it's a pain on my heel, which I have had for months, and it's painful walking. I mean, the throbbing, I have no idea what it is. I also had last week, my sciatica nerve was acting up, and if you have not heard of sciatica or if you have not had sciatica nerve pain is so painful. I mean, to the point where it's hard to even bend down to tie your shoe. It's something that, oh my God, you know, that's really what I've been dealing with. To be honest, honestly, I haven't really felt like myself. I know that, honestly, I have gained some weight. Sadly, I'm kind of like embarrassed to say that almost. You know, listen, I think it's kind of sort of true for a lot of people. Once you get married, like that weight gain, it just, you know, it's just hard. And I try not to eat crap, and you know, it's not like I eat junk. It's really, well, you know what? Yeah, I think that is the part. It's not that I eat like food, because if you see the dinner plate I put for myself, it's like really not that much. I just don't know. Maybe because I eat crap, chocolate or whatever, and my life is pretty sedentary. I have 9 to 5 where I sit most of the time, and I'm not as active as I used to be. But other than that, and I feel it, like I'm more tired, I'm sluggish. But other than that, then I have those little health problems that are on top, and it just really sucks. So, you know, just letting you know now, if you see that, you know, there's like a long time span that comes in between of me putting on videos, it's most likely because I'm not feeling well. But anyway, I wanted to get this video up because I just got home from work and I got my BoxyLuxe box that was waiting for me right in front of my door. What a perfect way to end a stressful week. So I'm gonna go into this right now. I just you know, just took the tape off, but I haven't looked at what's inside. I did get an email. I'm sure if you have Boxycharm, many people received this email from Boxycharm that they did include a product. It was some type of palette where the color scheme was, you know, to the effect that it wasn't matching your tone or whatever, that it really wasn't going to match very well, and they apologized. And in apology, they sent like a bunch of charms to the charm room so that you can redeem for, you know, other makeup and stuff. So I think that was really great of Boxycharm. They did not wait for people to start complaining about the product that they got in their box. They went ahead and just accepted the mistake and repaired it by giving us a whole bunch of charms. So thank you, Boxycharm. That's why I love you. So I'm gonna go into the box now. And and this is the BoxyLuxe. This is not the regular Boxycharm. So yeah, oh my God. I see something about oh my God. Okay, listen. Contain myself. All right. So the card is Levi and Rose. I hope I said that right. And if I butchered the French language, I'm very sorry. So on the back, all the products on the back as usual with the price range, or rather how much it is. So I'm gonna go into the first product, which is right on top of the bag. I'm gonna put my box over here. So this is the first product, and this is looks like a makeup bag to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So excited. I think I don't know. I don't want to go, you know, and be you know, get my hopes up, but it looks like this is going to be a pretty nice box for this month. Holy moly. So this is the product that came in, and this is obviously a makeup bag. So I'm trying to look and see where, oh, here it is, Boxycharm train case. This is it. So the retail value for this is $20. I really like this. This is so cute. It is the cutest bronze color. And you open it, it says Boxycharm here. All the nice space. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to put some of my junk in here. This is the cutest little thing. I love it. Wow, what a way to start off a box. So I'm gonna go on to the next product. This is Iconic. From Iconic, eyebrow cushion. So I'm guessing this is some type of eyebrow, blah, blah, blah. Give your brows the wow they deserve. Iconic Sculpt and Boost. Eyebrow cushion. 2-shade liquid brow compact. Allows for fully looking brows. A highly pigmented liquid formula glides effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for precise application on each time. And the price on this product is $40. So I'm going to go ahead and open this bad boy. I hope I can use it. I hope that it's in a decent color. So let's see. I don't really see a color per se on here. I'm looking on the bottom. Oh, it says medium. All right, well, I don't know how that's gonna work because I am typically light. So here is the packaging. Oh, sorry, you're seeing my camera, so I'm just not gonna show you the packaging. Anyway, okay, so here is how it looks inside. It has a mirror. This has a film on it, so you obviously I just have to peel it off. So it has a little tiny angle brush and a little spoolie, as you can see. That is very cute. Very nice. Perfect for travel. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, so this is sealed, as you can see. I'm gonna try to, oh, thank God it's an easy seal. All right, okay, so this is like a sponge thing. So as you can see, it's not, yeah, this is a sponge thing. You see that? And it, maybe it'll work. Maybe it'll work. I sure hope that it does. So that's how it looks like. This is like a cushy, it's like those cushy sponge compacts of like foundation that you've seen around. So that's what it looks like. I hope that it works out. Next product, and you can never get enough of lashes. Hello. So these are a pair of the Lily lashes in the style Gaia. I hope I'm saying it right. G-A-I-A, Gaia. Alrighty, Lily lashes, and this is retail value $24.99. Yes, love me some lashes. Next product. Ooh, and this is little. Oh, this is. Oh my goodness, yeah. Listen, I've had a hard week. This is like my treat. This is from It Cosmetics, and this is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. Developed with plastic surgeon, blah, blah, blah. #1 anti-aging moisturizer for all skin types, even sensitive. Quick absorbing, gives radiance, reduces looks of pores, discoloration, lines, wrinkles, improves the look of firmness. You will see results instantly and more dramatic results over time. We shall see. It Cosmetics retail value is $48. I'm going to go ahead and open this. This feels pretty heavy and I want to see how big it is. Whoa, this is a good size. Well, obviously these are going to be full-size products. So that's how it looks. Just open it up and see how, well, oh, this looks really thick. It smells really, really fresh. It smells like something. I really can't put my nose on it, but this is a thick cream. So we're going to see how this goes. I'm probably going to test it out in the evenings, just to check, because I'm not 100% sure if I can actually use that during the day because I have combination oily skin, so don't want to mess that up. Next product. Ooh, this is from Becca, and it is a lipstick. So Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, a moisturizing 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid, and this retails for $24, and this is in the color mauve. So that's not, well, I like mauve colors. This is a little dark, so that's the color right there. I'm just gonna, oh, you know what? It's actually not so bad. So here's the mauve color here. It's actually not bad. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like it has some type of scent in it, but it's like really, really light. Alright, so go to the next product. This is from Wander. And this is, what is this? Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Has Loving Acai, Goji Berry, Blueberry, Lychee, Mangosteen, and Green Tea Leaf extracts, blah, blah, blah. Retail value is $24, but this is, oh, I'm sorry, $34. Sorry about that. And this is a peel off mask. I'm not a fan of peel off masks, you know, mostly because I don't know how to freaking take them off. Like this has always been my problem with peel off masks. I just can't, for the life of me. I can't just, you know, like you see them in the commercials, they peel it all off in one piece. That's not me. You know, Joe's like peeling one here and one piece there, and if there's one there, maybe she'll sleep with a piece there. That's me. But anyway, so next product. Okay, this is from Cover FX, and I believe that this was the palette that they did tell us about in the email, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the Cover FX Perfection Face Palette. 6 must-have essentials in a travel-friendly palette, talc-free, sculpt, contour, blush, illuminate with 2 highlighters, brightening, finishing powder, blah, blah, blah. Retail price is $45. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's pretty dark. So I guess this was the palette. Here's the palette. However, I think that I can sort of get away with it. The blush is really dark. This is the blush. That is super dark. Like, wow, dark. So yeah, maybe I can use that for like an eyeshadow or something. This is the highlighter right here, which is, it's pretty nice, I guess. We'll see, we'll see. Here's the brightener, and this is the finishing powder. Obviously I cannot use these colors at all. I'm gonna have to find a different way to use this palette. I don't want it to go to waste, but yeah, definitely not in my skin tone at all. So thank you, Boxycharm, for all those wonderful points that you sent me. Oh, I still have 2 more products. Wow. Okay, so this is from Morphe, and let's see. This is the, what am I looking for? Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette. I'm not even gonna read the description. I don't care, because this is a palette. We're gonna open this up and see. I really don't have Morphe palettes. Isn't it weird? I think I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I think that's it. Like, I really don't have anything from them. So here's the palette. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, okay. It's a little dusty there. Okay, so here's the palette. Very warm neutrals. You have some browns in there, bronzes in there, definitely some oranges in there. Very warm palette. So we'll see if I can get away with it. I think I can. Not too bad. I kind of wish there were more lighter, like transition-y colors. There's just pretty much just this one. That's really light. All the other ones are pretty dark. But okay, we'll figure that out. And what else? Next product. And this is from Moda, and these are brushes, obviously. Powder and Soft Glow Kit. So obviously one of them is for powder, so you're going to be able to put your translucent powder, and then the other one is for highlighting. So these are cute. So here are the brushes right here. Let me just open them up and show them to you. So this is the powder brush. Oops. Okay, so here's the powder brush right here. It's actually pretty soft, the bristles. Very nice. I think it's really attractive looking, kind of a rose gold effect going on. And this is kind of weird looking, but this is the highlighting brush. It's very big. I mean, it feels really nice though. It feels really soft, but I haven't seen a highlighting brush like that. It's just, it's very long, and then it's just really round and, you know, like an ovally oblong shape on top. Very, very long. I haven't seen a highlighting brush like that, but that's going to be interesting to try out. And oh yeah, that's it. That's it. No more? Oh, there's one more. Okay. There's one more. Oh, they're nail polishes. Okay. Let's see. Deborah Lippmann polishes in the colors Old Donna and Modern Love. Blah, blah, blah. 2-piece, blah, blah, blah. Let me get it. Like, long wear to your nails, giving the effects of gel polish without the damage. Retail value is $20. So I'm just going to open up and show them to you. I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. Only because I use gel polish like all the time. It's been a long time since I've used, you know, regular nail polish. But here is one color. This is in Modern Love, which is a really pretty pinky mauve. Really pretty. And then the other color, and this is like a sparkly color. This is Old Donna. Just want to shake it up a little. So this, it's pretty much almost the same color. The only difference is that this has some sparkle in it, as you can see. So there you go. Alrighty, so there you have it. Those are the products in my BoxyLuxe for the month of March, and I'm very satisfied overall. I think that the products were really great. I was really overexcited for the makeup bag. I have no idea why, but I really like it. It was really pretty. The Morphe palette, I think it's nice. I don't know, I guess because it's a little too dark, but I can figure it out. The other palette that I showed you from Cover FX, obviously, I can't really use that color. Maybe I can try and find the way around it, use it as a sort of maybe eyeshadow or something. The colors were very dark, but of course we were warned of that, so it's not like I didn't know that that was coming or whatever. So, but other than that, I really liked all of the other products. So, yay! And so yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm hoping to get back on here and recording. I have some collections that I got in the mail. I got the Wet n Wild new collection, the Rebel Rose collection. I also got in the mail today, as a matter of fact, the collection Zoella by ColourPop. I have some ideas coming up, including making a makeup video tutorial all in Espanol. So, so stay tuned for that. And if there's anything else you want me to try out or any ideas you have for me, please, please, please tell me below. And if this is your first time, hello. This is Jo. My name is Joanna. How you doing? And subscribe to my channel. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching and hearing me ramble. And I will see you guys very, very soon in the next video. Adios.